Hi friends, without using calculator, we will try to find out which number is bigger. Is it 222 power 333 or is it 333 power 222? So at first, we will write down 222 as 111 multiplied by 2 power 333. And on the right hand side, I will try to write down 333 as 111 times 3 power 222. Now, I will try to give that power individually, which will give me 111 power 333 multiplied by 2 power 333. I'll do the same on the right hand side, which will give me 111 power 222 multiplied by 3 power 222. Now, what I'll write down is, I can see like I do have 111 power 222. If I got 111 power same here as well, then I can compare them. So I will just try to work out like 333. I'll split them into 222 plus 111 multiply by 2 power 333. That I'll try to write down as 2 power 3 multiply by 111. Now, on the right hand side, 111 power 222, I will keep them same. And 3 power 222, I'll split them as 2 multiply by 111. Now, we can use the index law and we can write down this 111 power 222 plus 111 is 111 power 222 multiply by 111 power 111 on the and 2 power 3 times 111 I can write down as 2 power 3 and then power 111, because when there's a power another power you can multiply, so that does work. On the right hand side, I have got 111 power 222 multiply by 3 power 2 and then whole thing power 111 I write down, because power another power then you can multiply, which is the same thing. So this will give me 111 power 222 multiply by. Now I can see that I'll keep it the same at the moment. So 111 power 111 multiply by 2 power 3. Now 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So power 8 power 111. And the right hand side, 111 power 222. And then 3 square is going to be 9 power 111. Now we can take the one last step and then we will know exactly which number is bigger. So 111 power 222 multiply by, if you see here, 111 power 111 power, so I got the same power, so I can multiply 111 and 8. 111 times 8 will be 888 power 111. And here on the right hand side I got a 111 power 222 and then 9 power 111. Now in both the sides we can see this number is the same number. So I can take this off so I can compare the rest. So the leftover will be 888 power 111 and this side 9 power 111. Now both has got the same power. So I can take the power off. So I got 888 and I got a 9. So I can see now 888 is bigger than 9. Because of that, we can see our number 222 power 333 is bigger than 333 power 222. So this is a wonderful things we derived without using calculator. Thank you, friends.